This is Piolo. I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
sobrang solid ka. Just happy birthday, God bless. Sino sa birthday ko. And sana may tayo pa, may party na ito muna ako.
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate ko na birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you! God bless you! Wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
To the best din I have ever known. Happy birthday. You are the best.
Happy birthday, Sir Dennis. Thank you po sa lahat ng support. Salamat po at kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magtutuloy-tuloy dito sa FI. Salamat po at more blessings pa. Sana'y maraming Sir Dennis na lumabas pa sa buong mundo. Thank you po. Happy birthday again.
Hello Sir Dennis. Happy birthday. And wish ko lang na more blessing pa sa'yo na darating. At happy ako na ang gift ng family mo, na mga anak mo, kukunin mo sa Pinas. Kaya, happy birthday again. I love you.
Hello, Kuya Dennis. Happy birthday. We love you. Mama.
From Basic ID class,
Happy
birthday, Sir Dennis!
From Basic Logistics class,
From AutoCAD class, happy birthday, Sir Dennis!
Hi, Sir Dean. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and may God bless you. We love you. Happy birthday, Sir Dean! Mwah!
From Business Management class, happy birthday, Sir Dennis!
Happy birthday, Sir Dennis! From caregiver class, we love you!
From Basic Dressmaking class, happy birthday, Sir Dennis!
Hello, Sir Dennis. Happy birthday to you. More blessings to come on your way. I am so proud of you. I love you. Happy birthday.
It's time to bring out the big